Here's a recap for all our tips for the week. Here's how to find the rows in a data frame that have NaNs in a column. First, import Pandas. Then import NumPy. Here's an example data frame. Then say nan rows isna equals df score.isna. Or you can say nan rows is null equals df score.isNull. What's the difference? I don't know, I think they're exactly the same. Here's how to get a directory that starts with a substring from a path. First, import OS. Here's an example path. Then say directories equals directory path.split os.sep to split the path into a list of directories. Then iterate over the directories and say d.startsWith and then the substring. Then get the first element of matching ders or return none if it's empty. Here's how to iterate backwards through a list. Here's an example list. Then say for item in reversed my list, print item.